Hi YouTubers, welcome again to my channel Tech World. So the past couple of videos I've been doing a lot of exploration with Ring products, and I went ahead and ordered the Ring spotlight camera, which is a little bit different from the stick-up camera that we reviewed on the last video. And if you guys want to go back and look at that video, the Ring's stick-up camera is a little different from the spotlight camera. Couple things I like about the spotlight camera is the spotlight camera has these two floodlight built into the camera, which provides extra lighting while taking videos of events. And it does have two battery built in, which provide longer recording time as well as longer ability to stay out there videoing without changing the battery. So the battery should last about 12 months because there's two batteries built in. Has the same features: 1080 two-way talk, 1080 video with two-way talk, motion detection zones, and they also have smart motion where you can actually direct which areas you want to be trigger points, rechargeable battery, obviously Wi-Fi, and screen capture. I actually saw a couple of videos about this camera from Ring. It was quite interesting because you don't need any wiring, you don't need any cable. It's all done wirelessly. So let's go ahead, open this box. Pretty big box, hard shell, nice package in there, and that's what you get inside this box. So there's the camera. It's very light actually, but it doesn't have any batteries inside. I got the white version. It comes in white and black, and bottom here is actually the motion sensor, but it also lights up to indicate activity. It has a built-in siren, so if you want to alert the neighborhood or let's say neighbors about an activity, this will light up red if there's a siren activation. Inside the package you get one battery that comes in the package. You also get a sticker, a window sticker that you can put up to inform the community or inform people of home being monitored by Ring. You get the screw, the security screws, small ones. You get the instruction manual, the outdoor screws. Ring does provide you with a screwdriver. So there's a Ring screwdriver, the cable to charge the battery. They provide also with the drill bit. If you're mounted on a concrete surface or even wood surface, you can use a drill bit. And then this is the bracket that this clips in. So it's a very simple installation. This goes on the wall or with the 4 screws, and this just snaps in and then you have the ability to rotate at different angles. So it's very simple, quick installation, and that's what I love about Ring. Security cameras, the installation takes less than 2-3 minutes as long as you're able to identify the location. This is quick and easy. Couple things about the actual camera. One thing I like about the Ring camera, or specifically this one here, is the audio. They do provide fantastic HD audio, so you're able to communicate pretty clearly with any activities or any person that's on your restricted space. You're able to talk to them and communicate with them and scare them off because it does have a pretty clear built-in audio. The other thing is the mic is pretty good, so you're able to listen without having any shaky audio. And then inside here you actually would just press this, and this lifts open the battery compartment. So there's the 2 battery compartment. You can put one and put a reserve battery. As soon as one is finished, it goes automatically into the reserve. So pretty simple setup there. One thing I sometimes find, you actually have to push this in really well to hear that click, because you will get a message on the app saying battery open. This piece here is actually pretty cool. You will have to open the battery, but you can actually press this and slide this off, and what this does, this provides you the ability to go ahead and mount this along with the mounting bracket like this here, and then slip in the camera at later points. So you don't have to actually you don't have to have the camera when you're sliding in the camera into the mounting. You can just use these two pieces to mount on the wall, and then you'll have the camera slide in afterwards. So it's very quick and easy, not too cumbersome. I do find like this is kind of weird how easy this is to like fall off, but I you know, I haven't had any problems with it, but it's a little flimsy, that the battery compartment. But yeah, that's what I noticed about it. So this will slide back in. I press this, get this back in, it locks into place. We'll put the reserve battery in. I have extra battery for Ring, so I would usually put that in to create a charge. And there you see, once the battery is in, it's flashing blue, and I believe that indicates that it's ready for setup. So I have the app already open. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my Ring products in the app. Alright, so basically with Ring, this is what the app looks like. So you basically just click on this here, device, and you're able to go here where it says setup device. It's a security camera. It says scan the barcode. You can scan the barcode that's under the battery. There's also a barcode that's included in this booklet here to make it easy to scan. So you see right there, they provide the barcode here to scan. That way you don't have to always open the battery in case you have to reset the camera. Let's try it again. So it picks up the barcode, and then you would indicate where the camera is going to be. In this case, the camera is going to be front door. I'm gonna put that in and connect it to the home network, and go ahead and press the top product to join. And it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi. Takes a couple minutes to locate the Wi-Fi and connect to it. I also have a Ring Chime Pro, which also acts as a Wi-Fi extender. So I am going to select my Wi-Fi and put my password in, and have this connected. So I will be back. Alright guys, so I added the camera, and I want to show you guys some of the beauty of the Ring app. So this is the view that you would get with the camera. So it's a very wide angle view. It gives you a great and it's actually gives you a great perspective of the entire front yard. I think it's 120 degrees, and then it has the speaker, which allows you to communicate. Then it has the phone here that allows you to talk and interact, and the hang up option. And then there's the siren. So this here allows you to activate the siren, which is like a flashing red light and with a high decibel audio. And then you can actually light up the floodlights on the camera, so that way, you know, let's say you're coming home in the night and you want little floodlights as you walk, you can activate the floodlights. So it's pretty interesting. There's a timeline on the camera, so it actually gives you indication on folks that walk in. Has person notifications, so it detects person and filters the motion very, very beautifully. That's something that I like about it. And so like motions would be like cars driving by, or let's say some animals in the yard, but it does differentiate between motions and people, which I find very fantastic. And you have the ability to just spread that out throughout the course of the day, and you can buy extended storage to extend the clip store in your Ring device. Right now I'm doing a trial version, which is 30 days with all the clips, but I think I might actually just do the extended cloud storage on the video clips. So there you go, that's the Ring spotlight camera. This is battery operated, takes 2 battery, should last about 12 months, and a great product for home security. And I think everyone should get one of this here. It does it was on sale on Amazon Prime Day for $149, but it typically sells at Home Depot and other Ring authorized businesses for about, I believe, $200. But if you have a home like mine where, you know, there's some dark zones, my house is actually in the middle of the land, so, you know, I have 4 corners that, you know, obviously I want to have security on, 2 doors, so, you know, it does require more security than most homes. But this is a great product, and I really encourage you guys to get it. Ring does make some great products. One drawback about this product is the app. The app tend to be a little laggy, tend to take a little bit of time to download the video. But other than that, I mean, I'm very happy. I'm very pleased with the Ring products, and I recommend it. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful, please share this video, subscribe, and you can actually look at my older videos that talks about different security cameras and different products there that might be relevant if you're in the market or you're looking to get some information for a friend or family. Please check out the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, so I went ahead and installed the camera there from Ring. I have it right over my front door, and there you go. It is installed directly on the vinyl, and it's positioned in a way that I can see the entire front porch. There's a light at the bottom, and I'm gonna put the light on so you guys can see how that looks. Quite very nice in terms of how bright it is. There you go, so the light is on, and then if I wanted to, I could activate the siren, which will go off like right there. So you see the flashing and you hear the noise. So overall, really good product for the price. Home security is something I always invest a little bit more money in, and the Ring home security here is no different. This spotlight from Ring is a fantastic product. It's outdoor, it's versatile, and easy to use. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel, and we'll see you next.